In the face of increasing demand for customization, multi-species and small batch production, material handling and machine loading and unloading also tend to be complex. The existing automation equipment of some enterprises is difficult to cope with flexibly, and the accuracy and reliability of personnel work is also facing challenges. ROKAE Composite robot can meet different loading needs of multiple equipment at the same time. With operation accuracy up to ±1 mm and navigation accuracy up to ±5 mm, it ensures the flexibility of production, while improving the accuracy and reliability of operation. The composite robot combines collaborative robot and laser-guided AGV, which greatly extends the operating space of collaborative robot and solves the problem of last-meter logistics automation that has plagued customers for a long time. The operation accuracy and loading and unloading time are greatly improved. Excluding charging time, the composite robot can operate continuously. One composite robot can handle loading and unloading of 7 machines, replacing one material preparation worker and one loading and unloading worker. The solution has been applied in batch and stable operation at dozens of customer sites,